Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now don't worry about this bonnet. I just woke up right now. And so on today's video, I'll be showing you my natural skincare routine using natural products. That's the aloe vera plant, natural plant. And it's a very easy skincare routine. Any of you can do this and you can use this. So let's get into it. After getting your aloe vera plant, maybe from your fridge or maybe directly from the farm or whatever place it is, the first process that you have to do is to make sure that your aloe vera is clean. So you have to wash your aloe vera plant, wash it thoroughly to make it clean and to remove any dirt, from the aloe vera plant so that you can start using it. Yeah, so make sure it's clean and very clean. And so the first process in our skincare routine process using this aloe vera plant is cleansing our face. And so you have to cut a piece of the aloe vera and use it to cleanse our face since it's having some gel in it. And so by that I'd already cleaned my face as I woke up, but we're going to redo this process. So massage this all over your face using circular motions. Massage it all over your face gently. Do not be hard on yourself, just be gentle. And so the purpose of cleansing our face is to remove dirt, oils and other pollutants from our skin to make our face clean. So rub this on your lips also. After doing this, clean your face using warm water, or I can say lukewarm water that's not very hot and not very cold. So let's clean our face and we'll be back after a short time. And now we are back after cleaning our face. You can see the result. Clean with warm water, not very hot or not very cold. And moving to the second step, we're going to do face scrubbing. We are going to scrub our face, and here we're going to use sugar. This is normal sugar that you use to drink your tea, and another piece of aloe vera plant. As you can see, it has some gel in it, and so it's going to be very useful. So pick your leaf and dip it in sugar. Take a good amount of sugar. As you can see, let me hope you're going to see this clearly. Rub this all over your skin, and as I earlier said, always be gentle with your skin. As in, just love yourself and be gentle with your skin. Do not rub it so hard because sugar has small particles, and if you rub it so hard, it's going to mess with your skin. Your skin is going to break. So be gentle with your skin. Apply small amounts of it until it covers the whole face. And so the role of sugar in skin exfoliation is that sugar has small particles, or I can say granules, which helps to clear dead skin from your skin. So that's the purpose of always exfoliating your skin, is to get away with dead skin from your skin. And so at this point, sugar acts as a very good skin exfoliator. And this process also makes your skin very smooth, since there are no dead skin on your skin. So your skin remains soft and smooth, and it also improves your skin tone. Yeah, I guess that. Also rub your lips using the sugar, because sugar helps to exfoliate your lips and it leaves your lips very soft, and very smooth. So it's also useful to the lips. And after doing all this, you're going to clean your face using the same warm water. The reason as to why we are not using hot water is because hot water dries your skin and cold water closes your pores. So clean your skin using warm water. And onto the third process, we're going to make a face mask using aloe vera gel and honey. So you're going to take a little bit of honey and add to the aloe vera gel. Then you're going to stir it so as to make the face mask. So let's get onto this process. And if you want to know how I made the aloe vera gel, I'm going to leave a link on the description box, or you can click above here to watch the video on how to prepare your own aloe vera gel, yes, and use it on your face. So kindly click on the link above, or I'll be leaving another link on the description box. So guys, kindly subscribe to my channel, comment down below on what you think about this video. And so let's get to applying our face mask. Very last step, we're going to moisturize, because we cannot leave our skin while it's dry. So we're going to moisturize using this one. You can see it has some gel. So what you simply do, apply it all over your face, and our process is done. And so guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this content, give this video a thumbs up, like this video, don't forget to subscribe down below and share it with your friends, because it might be useful to them. These are very simple and very easy skincare routine process. Anyone can do this. So thank you so much for watching, and